Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to receive money on Payoneer. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you need to meet here in order for you to start receiving or getting paid here on Payoneer. So first is you need to create a Payoneer account. So obviously, if you haven't already here, you just need to sign up on their website here. Just basically go through the registration process. So that involves you providing some details about yourself, like your name and some identification that you may need to provide to verify your account here. So once you've submitted all the documents to verify your account, which in this case is something really important here to activate your account fully, you'll need to add a bank account and connect a payment service so you have a way to withdraw your money later. So if you're dealing with international payments, you may or might also need to activate the global payment service, which allows you to receive funds in different currencies. Now, to actually get paid via Payoneer here, what you need to do is you need to provide your payment details to the person or company sending you money. Now, Payoneer gives you receiving accounts in different currencies, so you can find them under the Get Paid section here under Payoneer, as you can see at the left side here. So if you need, or you in this case, you might have to set up receiving accounts and provide any required documents. Now in this case, you may be able to click on receive accounts here, which in this case you may need to provide further information about yourself in order for you to get started here. But yeah, once everything is set up, the sender can transfer money to your Payoneer account here via the receiving accounts that you have, and when the funds arrive, you can withdraw them to your link bank account or use them however you like. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.